An easier way to pay your GVT bill. Manage your GVT account online and never worry about missing a payment. By setting up a web account, you can enroll and automatically pay your bill, view usage, have access to view invoices, payment history, and live stream GVT Local Channels. When you sign up for AutoPay and Paperless, you'll also receive a one-time $10 credit on your account. Follow these steps and sign up today. Visit www.gvtel.com and select My Account in the upper right-hand corner. Click on the My Billing icon. You will enter your username and password. If you've not already set up a web account, you'll need to select Register here. Please note, you will need your most recent invoice when registering. Once logged in, select AutoPay in the left-hand column, select New Credit Card, and enter your card information. Once complete, you'll receive a message indicating your card was successfully added. Choose your payment date from the drop-down, click Continue, and review the information and terms and conditions, and then click Enroll in AutoPay. Please save the confirmation for your records. To enroll in paperless billing, click Settings in the left-hand column. Select the General tab at the top of the screen, select Web Bill Only, and click Change Preference. For assistance, please call 800-448-8260 or stop into any of our 3 locations in Bagley, Erskine, or Thief River Falls.